System errors causing the ekc6420.dll crashes in Eye-Kon. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we begin the walkthrough for ekc6420, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the ekc6420, a 64-bit specialized driver module for Eye-Kon and Kiosk hardware peripherals. It manages the unmanaged serial to USB handshakes required for specialized credit card readers and thermal printers in Kiosk environments. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The ekc6420.dll module is a localized part of the Eye-Kon integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including ekc6420. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the error persists after a restart, your graphics driver environment is likely corrupted. Use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, in safe mode to completely wipe the existing driver metadata. Once the system is clean, install the latest driver suite from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to restore the healthy version of your DLL file. Why are we doing this? Well, overwritten driver files often leave ghost metadata that blocks new installations. A DDU wipe ensures a clean environment where the driver can properly register its DLL components. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Replacing ekc6420 without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping ekc6420 synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved ekc6420 error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.